everyone, Carol here with another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Today we're going to talk about 2 new features that have just been released in the Everspruce app, so I'm excited to share with you. One, you'll now be able to add the quantity and the value of your item, and 2, I'm going to show you where you can find the automatic calculation of your items. So those are the 2 new features that have just been released in the Everspruce app. So I'm going to walk you through it and show you how to use those features. Also at the end, I'm going to share a little secret that's coming up for the Everspruce app. Okay, so now let's talk about how to use these new features. So first, I want to show you how to turn off this new feature. So I know that sounds counterintuitive, but the reason for Everspruce success is in its simplicity. So this will make things a little bit more complicated. So I'm going to leave it up to you, the user, to decide if this feature is beneficial to you or not. So we're going to go ahead and log in to the Everspruce app. We're going to go to settings, and then you scroll down a little bit. Under the header settings, you're going to see the show quantity and value fields. So you can just turn that off, and then that feature won't be showed when you add an item in. But for this video, we're going to turn it back on. So we're going to go ahead and add an item. So I have my new little Chanel card holder. So I'm going to take a quick picture of it. I'm going to store it in my glass cabinet. And take a quick picture. Click Save. Comes on my task list. And my description will just be the color. Okay, so now you see the default quantity. So if you click change, so if you have more than one of a specific item you just added in, you can change that. So there you go. So here I only have one, so I'll change it back to 1. And then the value. So to add the value, you click change, and I believe it was that much. Click save, and then I go back to my home, and then I click on the item, and you can see how many I have and the value of that item. So those are the new updates that we have just completed with the Everspruce app that's now available. So I find this valuable for my collectible items, and so I now, like for insurance purposes, have a value associated with an item. So I think this is a great addition to the Everspruce app. So there's one last thing that I need to show you. So we're going to go back into the settings, and then I want to show you where you can see where your total item value is found. So go to settings, and right under login, you're going to see the header total item value. And so that is the automatic calculation of all the values of items that you have inputted in. And then one other thing I can show you is, while we're in settings, is under settings, there's going to be change currency symbols. So here, you know, not everybody's in the US. We were able to add in the currency for your country. So these are all the countries you can find Everspruce. So here's the US dollar, Hong Kong dollar, the euro. So all those are available for the user. And that was it. Those were the new features that we were just inputted in and is now available on the Everspruce app. And I hope you find it as valuable as I do. I would appreciate it after you watch this video if you go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to my channel. So this helps also my channel get more popular, and it helps people like you find more content like this. So thanks again for watching. I hope this video was helpful in using the Everspruce app, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy organizing. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot to reveal the new secrets that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So what I've been working on for the Everspruce app is adding the feature for multiple images for one item. So I think this will be beneficial for items that you want to associate the receipt with the item. So you can take a picture of the item and then a picture of the receipt, or if you have legal documents that are multi-pages that you want to upload into the Everspruce app. So this is something I've been working on. I'm hoping it'll be released early 2021, but I can't say just yet. But I think this is going to be huge and a great new added feature into the Everspruce app. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy organizing! Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.